Hi, I'm Paris. Welcome to Cybersecurity Fundamentals for Marketers. If you're a marketer in the cybersecurity space, you already know this. The industry speaks its own language. And if you don't understand it, you're left out of the most important conversations. That's exactly why I created this course. We'll break down the essential cybersecurity concepts every marketer needs to know, from how attacks actually happen to how CISOs think and how to translate complex technical topics into clear, compelling marketing messages. By the end of the course, you'll be able to speak confidently with cybersecurity experts, build trust with audiences, and create compelling campaigns that really resonate with this fast-moving industry. So if you're ready to transform into a marketer who gets cybersecurity, let's dive in.